Hello children, welcome to Math Simplified. This video is for 9th standard students. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. Today we are going to study set operations and Venn diagram. There are 5 different operations. The first one is complement of a set, and this is how a Venn diagram looks like. Universal set is a rectangle. It's denoted as a rectangle, and the set is denoted as a circle, and all the elements are written within the circle. The elements which do not belong to the set are written outside the circle. Okay, so complement of a set is a set of all elements of universal set that are not in A. It is denoted by A dash. So elements which belong to the universal set but are not part of the set A is called A dash, and it is written in this region. Number 2 is the union of two sets. So for any two sets, the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both. So if there are two sets like this, and each set will have some elements, where A union B will be all the elements together, and we should not repeat any element. So that is denoted as A union B. Intersection of two sets, for the given two sets, all the elements which are common to both the sets, that is called A intersection B. Difference of two sets, those are elements which are only in A and not in B. That is called A difference B. It is denoted like this or like that. B difference A is the set of elements which are only in B and not in A. So that will be B difference A. In this case, B difference A is 3 and 4. These are the elements which are only in B and not in A. And A difference B is the only one element, that is here 1. Symmetric difference of two sets, that is the union of A difference B and B difference A. So this portion, union of this and this, is called the symmetric difference. We will not consider the middle portion which has the common element. We will leave that out. There are two formulas. It is called A delta B. A delta B is equal to A difference B union B difference A, or A union B minus A intersection B. Exercise 1.3, in this first sum, they have given a Venn diagram. They have listed all the elements within the circles for these two sets A and B. You have to write down all the elements. So A is equal to 2, 8, 10, 7, 4. Write it down. B, all the elements within the circle B. A union B, all the elements within the two circles. Do not repeat any element. A intersection B, only the elements in the middle portion. A difference B, the elements in this portion only. B difference A, the elements in this portion only. A dash, all the elements outside the circle A. What are the elements? 1, 12, 9, 11, 3, 6. B dash, all the elements outside the circle B. So 10, 2, 8, 1, 12. Universal set, all the elements within this rectangle. You can write the elements in any order. It does not matter, but do not repeat any element and do not leave out any element. Number 2, A is equal to this, B is equal to this. So find out A union B. So list out all the elements of A and B without repeating any element. A intersection B, only the common elements. So here 2 is common, 14 is common, 2 and 14. Write it down. A difference B, elements which are only in A. So 6 and 10 is only in A, it is not in B. So write it down. B difference A is elements only in B and not in A. So 5 and 16 only in B and not in A. So this is the answer. 2, A is equal to A, B, C, E, U. B is the set. A union B, again the same thing. List out all the elements without repeating and do not leave out any element. A intersection B, only common elements. A difference B, only the elements which are in A and not in B. B difference A, elements in B and not in A. A is equal to X belongs to N. X is less than or equal to 10. List out all the numbers, natural numbers less than 10. And X belongs to W, X is less than B. So B is equal to all whole numbers. Start from 0 to 5. So now you know A and B. Now you can do A union B intersection, A difference of both the sets. Number 4, A is the set of letters in mathematics. Write down all the letters. Do not repeat any letter and write the set. Similarly for geometry, write down all the letters without repeating any letter. See, E is coming twice. Do not write twice, just once is enough. A union B, again list out all the elements without repeating any element. Intersection B is the common elements. A difference B is the elements which are only in A, not in B. B difference A, elements which are in B only and not in A. Question number 3, number 1, A dash. A dash is equal to U minus A. This is set A, U, and this is A. Remove these elements, you will get the answer. B dash is U minus B, again U, B, and this remove the elements, you will get the answer. So we know A dash, B dash. A dash union B dash, just do the union of both the sets, you will get the answer. A dash intersection B dash, only the common elements, write it down. Number 5, A union B dash, the formula is U minus A union B, the set within the bracket. So this again write down U, A union B and remove these elements. This is the answer. A union B dash is U minus A, A intersection B dash is U minus A intersection B. So write down U, A intersection B is DH. Remove these elements, you will get the answer. 7 is A dash dash, that is U minus the set within the brackets, that is A dash. So first write U, this is A dash, write it down, then remove the elements, you will get the answer. B dash dash, U minus the set B dash. So U, this is B dash, remove the elements, you will get an answer. Question 4 is similar to question 3. Please do these sums, practice them, they are easy. Question only. Number 5, find the symmetric difference between the following sets. P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, Q is equal to 1, 3, 5, 11. So these are the two formulas, we can use either of the two. So first find out P difference Q, that is all the elements of P which are but not the elements of Q. So write down the set P, write down the set Q, remove all these elements from P and you will get this set. Q difference P, write down the set Q and then remove the elements of set P and you will get this answer. Now do the union of both these sets and you will get the P delta Q, that is 1 to 7. Number 2, R is equal to L, M, N, O, P, S is equal to J, L, N, Q. So first find the union of both the sets, write down all the elements without repeating any elements, then find out R intersection S, write down the common elements, then do R the delta S, that is the R union S minus these elements L and N. So whatever is remaining is the answer. Number 3, X is equal to 5, 6, 7, Y is equal to 5, 7, 9, 11. So first do X difference Y and then do Y difference X, write down the sets and then do a union of both these and you will get the answer. Now question number 6, using set symbols write down the following expression for the shaded region. So they have given the Venn diagram and you have to write down the shaded region. They have shaded this region of the set Y and we know that this region is Y difference X. Next one is they have shaded this outside region leaving out the middle portion. We know that these two sets together form X union Y. So outside region will be X union Y dash. Here they have shaded this portion and this portion. They have left behind this middle portion. So this portion is X difference Y, this portion is Y difference X and both the regions are shaded. So union of both these regions. That is, we know that the region is the set difference, that is X difference Y union Y difference X, that is X delta Y. Okay, now we have to draw the Venn diagrams for A union B. So write down this universal set, draw two circles, that is set A and B, and shade both these circles. That will be A union B. A intersection B, draw two circles, and this middle portion is the A intersection B portion. You should shade only the middle portion. Number 3, A intersection B dash. So we're here again the two circles, and we know this is A intersection B. So A intersection B dash means the region outside this portion. So you have to shade all this portion with a nice pencil. B difference A dash, we know that this is the B difference A portion. So we have to shade all the other portion outside it because it's a dash, B difference A dash. So the set A fully you have to shade, and this portion of the universal set. Number 5, A dash union B dash. We know what is A dash, the portion outside A. B dash is the portion outside the B. So union of both the portions will give us this portion. We should not shade the middle portion. A dash intersection B dash. So here A dash is outside of A, B dash is outside of B. So the common area for both will be this portion which I have shaded. So this is the Venn diagram. Question 8. What do you observe from Venn diagrams 3 and 5? Let's go back to Venn diagram 5. Can you see this Venn diagram? Okay. Let's see the third one. Can you see this Venn diagram? So what do we understand? Both these Venn diagrams are the same. So what do we understand? That A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Here we come to the end of the exercise. Please pause the video and practice all the sums. Go through the video once again.